Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants. We're here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this absolutely amazing pre-owned, absolutely mint condition 11 by 34 Logan. This happens to be what we call a model 927. You can see from the charts and everything here on this machine, it's very, very limited use. This is a serial number 51538, and it happens to be our stock number 9788. This machine is tooled to the gills. What we're basically seeing here is a small tool room lathe. It's absolutely utopia for maybe a gunsmith or a tool room type shop. Very well tooled. I think that explains it all. Go ahead, Frankie. Let's little freckle there. Let's go ahead and run through the faces on this machine and see what we've got. It's currently wired at 220 volts, 3-phase. We've got a 2 1/4/8 TPI threaded spindle nose. It's set up with a lovely set of chucks. We have a 6-inch 4-jaw, a 6-inch 3-jaw. You can see your steady rest. Your Loris AXA tool post. It's a hardware machine. I'm going to get up and show the detail when you get kind of crazy and so forth with those little screws and everything, how it shows the ways. You can see the feed rod on this machine is in that magnificent condition. So let's